Hi students, today we can study chapter 12, exercise 12.1. What is question? Question number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter. Okay, this is like one car wheel. Diameter is 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Then we have to find out number of revolution. How many complete revolution? When a car traveling, the tire will rotate, isn't it? Then 10 minutes that car traveling, running 10 minutes, then the speed of car is 66 km per hour. Then after 10 minutes, how many times that each tire rotate? Okay, that number of revolution we have to find out. And then what are things given? That things we can write first. Given radius of wheel. In here diameter only given, isn't it? Radius means half of the diameter. From here to this much only radius, isn't it? Half of the diameter. We can write 80 divided by 2 equal to 40 centimeter. That is radius of that wheel. Then time given. Time. T equal to 10 minutes. Time T equal to 10 minutes already given. And then speed. Speed is equal to 66 km per hour. 66 km per hour. Before starting this problem, we have to study some basic concept. First, distance. Distance means speed into time. That is first thing. Distance means speed into time. You know, speed means distance by time, isn't it? From here, t bring to left side, s into t equal to d. Distance means speed into time. This is the first formula we will use in here. Then, next, 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Then 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Then 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes. First, distance means speed into time. Second one is 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Next, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1 hour means 60 minutes. This all the things we will use in this question. Then we have to find out number of revolutions or rotations. Number of revolutions equal to total distance traveled by that car. Okay, just write total distance divided by circumference of wheel. Circumference of wheel. Then equal to, in here, circumference of wheel. Always keep in mind revolution, otherwise rotation is there, means always we will use circumference of wheel. Why means this is like one wheel. Then this wheel rotating, starting from here, just rotate this like, then maybe this much distance that travel. From here, starting from here, rotating only one time rotate, that time reaching in here. Okay, that means, you know, when one wheel rotate, only touch this outside part only touching with the ground, isn't it? That means, what is this outside part? That is known as circumference of circle or circumference of that wheel, isn't it? That means this distance and the circumference of wheel will be equal, isn't it? Then one revolution means this much distance we will travel. That revolution, one revolution is known as circumference. Okay, that's why we are using in here circumference of wheel. Then total distance formula we have studied is into t, speed into time. Circumference of wheel, circumference of circle is 2 pi r equal to speed given, already given 66 kilometer per hour. 66 we can write 66. But one problem is that in here unit kilometer per hour, but in here minute, time, unit of time is minute, but in here unit of time is hour. That is different, isn't it? Then radius centimeter, but in here kilometer. That means the unit completely different. We have to change. First we will change this kilometer to centimeter. 1 kilometer how much meter? 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. That's why multiple by 1000. We don't need meter, we need centimeter. Again multiple by 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Multiple 100. Now this number become whole centimeter, isn't it? Kilometer, first we change to meter, again meter change to centimeter. Okay. Then divide by this kilometer we change. What is remaining? Hour is there. Okay, 1 hour means how much minute? That is 1 hour is 60 minutes. Divide by 60 into that. Already speed we are changed to centimeter to minute. Centimeter to minute. Centimeter per hour per minute we are already changed. Now time. Time already given in here 10 centimeter. Sorry, 10 minute. Time is 10 minute. All divided by 2 pi r. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r. Radius of wheel is 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Then first we can cancel at all unit. Minute. Centimeter. All units we can cancel. Now remaining things 1 0. Here also carry 1 0. Then this 6 and 66. In 6 one time, again 11 I look at. Then we cannot cancel now. After next step we can cancel everything. Remaining in here 11 into 1000 into in here 10 into in here again one more 10 is there 10. Then this part already cancelled. All divided by 2 into 22. 2 into 22 into 40. 40. Then 22 divided by 7 is there. Take reciprocal of 22 by 7. That means the 7 will come upside. We can write in here that 7. The 7 we can write just upside in here. Okay. Now cancel. 0 and 0 cancel. Then this 22 and 11. In 22, how many times 11? 11 into 2, 22, isn't it? That means in here you will get 2. And then 2 and 10, 5 times. And then again we can cancel this 2. 100 and 2. In 10, 5 times. Then 0, 0, 500. Again this 2. 504. 504, how much will come? Can do otherwise. 4. Okay, 1 in here. 4. 1 0 0 2 8 and 2 0 5. We'll get 125. 125 equal to multiple 125, 5 and 7. 125 into 5. 5 into 5, 25, remainder 2. 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Remainder 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 625. Again one more number is there, that is 7. Multiple by 7. 7 into 5, 35. Remainder 3. Then 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Remainder 1. 7 into 3. Sorry. 7 into 6. 7 into 6. 42, isn't it? 42 plus 1. 43. 4, 3, 7, 5. 4,375 revolutions. That means number of revolutions equal to 4,375. Then main thing, this all the basic things you have to understand. Distance means speed into time. Then 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1 hour means 60 minutes. This all the things we will use in here. For exam time, no need to write this part. Okay, for understanding only I have written these things. Now, number of revolution, we have to find out number of revolution of that wheel. That is total distance divided by circumference of a wheel. Keep in mind, revolutions is there means always we will use circumference of circle. Okay, revolution, otherwise rotation also. Some questions they will write rotation. Rotation and revolution equal. That time we will use only circumference. And then total distance means S into T. That formula divided by circumference of circle 2 pi r. That is formula already you have studied. And then yes. S means speed. Speed already given 66 km per hour. We can write 66 into kilometer. Kilometers first change to centimeter. That's why 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Multiple. This much become meter. Meter we are going to change centimeter. That's why multiple by 100. Right, 100. Now all total will be in centimeter. Divided by hour is there. Divided by hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Into time. Time means 10 minutes already given in question. Divided by 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. 40 is a radius. And then you can cancel everything. You will get 4,375.